Hey guys, so for today's lesson, I'm just going to quick review over adding integers with different signs here on our calculators. So I'm going to go through 3 examples, which should be pretty familiar for you guys if you watch the last 2 videos, just on how to briefly enter in these numbers the right way so you get the correct answer. Starting with number 1, I'm going to be doing -12. So I'm going to enter the 12 as normal. Then I'm going to press the negative symbol, plus, and then I have a positive 13, which gives us 1. My next example is going to be a positive 39 plus a negative 53, and I enter in the 53 first, then make it a negative, which gives us -14. And for the last example, I'm going to go through -100. Oops. Negative, sorry about that. Oh, I'm just going to start over there. -100 plus 100, which gives us 0. This should have been a review for you guys if you've done the last 2 VMath assignments and watched the videos. Not too hard here, you're just using your calculator. So if you guys have any questions or need any more help with this, just shoot me or Mrs. Peglow an email and we will set up a chat. If not, move on to the VMath for today, April 22nd. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.